Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today is December 19th, 2024, and y'all, I went meat shopping. Okay, so I told y'all that I was gonna be changing some things, changing out changing the way that I shop, going back to the way I used to. We used to only buy what was on sale. Okay, so here, my local grocery stores that's here, they mark down a lot of meat and stuff, and we used to just go and just buy whatever meat was on sale, make meals that way, and do not, worry about what's not on sale. Stuff is too expensive. Okay, too expensive. So we started that today. Okay, I went in Food Line and I didn't buy nothing but what was marked down, nothing but meat. Okay, nothing but meat. So this is to me a huge meat deal. Okay, also I'm going to show what meat I found in Publix when we went to fill up our water jugs thing at the water dispenser. So I went on and looked in there, and I'll show y'all what we found in there. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, y'all, so I gotta hurry up because this meat has been out longer than what it needed to be. So yeah, I gotta hurry up and get it in the freezer. Okay, so I'm gonna start right here with the Publix. Okay, so I wasn't expecting to buy nothing in Publix, but Oronde had been looking for some shanks. Okay, some ox shanks, I guess you can say is what they are. Beef shanks, but we like oxtails. Okay, and the shank, you get more meat, put it like that. Okay, so we found some at Publix, and we already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this meat for whatnot. I'll show y'all in a vlog. But look, it's all about saving money and stuff now, doing homestead, homemaker, back in the day, our ancestors type meals. Okay, and that's what you're about to see, because that is what we're doing. That is the lifestyle I am choosing to live. Okay, so we got these shanks. This one was $6.86. This one was $5.44. This one was $8.20. It's upside down, but this one was $4.94. And then this one didn't come from Publix. It came from Food Line. I called it marked down $5.80, but it's gonna go in the pot with the rest of these. Alright, y'all, so right here I had to go get my glasses because I couldn't hardly see all these prices. Right here, let me tell you about this. So ground turkey, y'all know I buy a lot of ground turkey. I just recently, a couple of months ago or this year, started buying beef again because of the iron. But for over 10 years it was just turkey, seafood, and chicken. Okay, no beef and pork. Okay, so I love turkey. That's all I would buy for like 10 years. Okay, so got this turkey. I saw it marked down $2.27. Now this is the kicker. This is 16 ounces. See that? 16 ounces. They had other turkey, the regular turkey in the long like packs was 16 ounces for $4.99. But up top, 16 ounces, all you got to do is cut it and squeeze it out. 16 ounces for $2.27. And baby, I stood there and I got every one of them. Every one of them. Okay, and don't forget that one. Every one of them. Okay, so let me take y'all around here, and went on down and found these right here. $4.79 for all, well, each one of them. Ground beef is too daggone high. Okay, ground beef too daggone high. Any type of beef, any type of meat. Look at this. It's like 4 or 5. Some of them got 5, some of them got 4. These are beef patties for Salisbury steak. $4.79. You hear me? $4.79. Okay, and yes, I ended up getting all the ones that they had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these. Show did. Okay, so let me go around. I got my water and stuff down. That's why I can't hardly get to this side, but let me just go and show you. So right here I went on down and saw this beef stew meat. Okay, beef stew meat. $5.08. $5.08 for that one. And this one right here is $5, and they both $5.08 of this beef stew meat, okay? Then right here, one on down, and saw this. These are some country style ribs, $5.93. Regular price was $9.89. These right here was running $8 and some change, and got them for $5 something. So yeah, let me get on back over here on this side. Okay, then I went on down and hit the chicken. They didn't have no chicken on sale. Okay, no chicken on sale. But then I saw these right here. These are some fresh chicken patties. Now, I don't know, you know, I was looking at it like, is that loud meat? Look, I don't know. We don't know what we getting. They say fresh chicken burger, so I got them. There's 4 of them. But I could take this and ground this up. It's meat. I can just take it out of the patty form and add it to a meal. $2.79 in this 4-minute pack. And guess what? Your girl got, it was 3, got all 3 of them. Okay, because that's 4, 8, 12. That's 12 right there. That's about what you're gonna get if you got it grounded. Okay, and then we were passing by, and Oronde saw this. They got them hams, 99 cents a pound. Okay, 99 cents a pound. So we paid $7.87 for this one. And then for the butt, because that's the shank, for the butt, 99 cents a pound. We paid $6.81 for that bad boy. Okay, and then to flavor some of this stuff up, like these chicken patties, fresh chicken patties, okay, I went on and got some not cilantro, some chorizo. This is what I was telling y'all. I love this. It adds extra flavor to stuff. Okay, got some chorizo. So all this meat that you saw, that you see, paid $101. Okay, 100 paid. That was at Food Line with this and all this Food Line meat, $101. The lady at the register was like, I can't believe you got all that meat for that. I think she was kind of frustrated because she realized I had pretty much got everything that was on sale. Okay, and then I paid a little bit more at like 20 something at for these shanks. But we got, that's gonna be a meal that's gonna last a long time. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do that. Let me get this meat up real quick. All right, y'all, so let me get y'all a little higher. There we go. All right, y'all, so hold on. I got this tripod right here. All right, there we go. So y'all, I am tired. I got the meat up or whatnot. Now imagine if that meat would not have been marked down. Imagine how much it would have been. And that's like when you go in the store and you got your grocery list or whatnot, and you know you're gonna get chicken, you're gonna get ground beef, you're gonna get turkey, you're gonna get all this type of stuff. The meat and stuff is so expensive. It's like, you know, how can people really make it, you know? And the lady, when I got to the register, she was like, after she was like, you know, you got a really good deal, you got some good deals or whatnot for the amount that you paid. And then I said, yeah, I said, if it ain't on sale, I ain't buying it. No, she was like, she said, you must got 2 or 3 freezers. And I'm like, I said, yeah, 3 deep freezers and 3 refrigerators. And she said, oh. And then she was like, she said, well, you got the space. She was like, well, I said, yeah, I said, things are high. That's what I said. I said, things are high. I said, I got this thing where now if it's not on sale, I'm not buying it. And she was like, well, it's going to get better now. And I knew exactly what she was talking about. And I said, we'll see. Okay, so I'm just like, you know, people actually, you know, believe that. You know, I hope so, but I just don't see it happen immediately like people think it's going to happen. And, you know, and then for her, you know, I know what side, you know, she's on or whatnot. But she didn't know if I was on anybody's side. And looking at me, people would expect me to be, you know, on, I'm gonna say, on the D side rather than the R side. Okay, that's what people, you know, would expect. You know, that's what they would just, you know, if they had a guess or whatnot. So for her to say that was just like, you know, she like literally said it's gonna get better now. She was talking about because of who gonna be in office. For those of you that may not be getting what she was saying. And I'm just like, you know, I'm not finna get into that. I'm just trying to get my food bagged up so we can get up out of there or whatnot. So I was like, okay, well, I'm just saying in my head, if you think so, either way it go, I'm trying to stock up as much as possible, and I am trying to do it on a budget. That's, you know, that's what I'm not, I didn't tell her that. I'm just saying to y'all. So I'm going back to the way I used to be. I'm not buying nothing that is not on sale, okay? What is in my house is what I will make meals with. Going back to the basics, going back to meals the way I grew up. Because those will stick to your gut meals. Those were make it meals. You know, those were with my granny, I gotta feed, she gotta feed her 3 grandkids. You know, and then, you know, her kids at home, they were still young and stuff. So, you know, they had to be, because let me see, my mama had me at 16. So yeah, and then my uncle is younger than my mama. So yeah, that's right, because my mama is 53, 54. I think she 54. Yeah, and I have an uncle that's younger. So my grandma still was, you know, had kids home. She had 7 kids. And back home, we don't put kids out at 18, you know. We don't put kids out at 18, 19, 20, and all that type of stuff. You stay home as long as you want, get yourself together. So I know I had uncles and stuff that was still there. So the meals was different, you know. We making meals, you know. A lot of people talk about Mississippi or whatnot, but it is what it is. I love it. I would not change where I'm from, because the meals that we had was, you know, stick to you. They was healthy. They was, you know, they was less ingredients, but you was full. It wasn't nothing crazy. And I'm going back to my roots. I ain't never left my roots, but I'm going back to making those meals. And, you know, I've already talked to y'all about freezing your food and stuff. That's all my granny did, was had a lot of, like, a deep freezer full of cooked frozen food that she had cooked and frozen. So that's the way we need to get back to, and that is what my lifestyle has become. You know, I told you I've been working for the past couple of weeks on changing my lifestyle back. Not really changing my lifestyle, because it never changed. I just wasn't doing it. You know, it ain't like I was living, you know, a high lifestyle, like I'm bougie or something like that. No. And now I'm trying, no. It's just I wasn't doing it, you know. So now at 37, and with everything going on in the world, I'm just like, I need to go back to my teachings. I need to go back to what my granny and my uncle taught me. No. So that's why though. So not buying anything unless it's on sale. And I know I talked about this probably about 2 years ago or whatnot, but you get off track. But now I'm focused, because y'all, this is December, and I told y'all, I tried to tell y'all, these people, some of these people head is just up there in the clouds and stuff now. Because like I say, for her to come out and say that like that, I'm saying to myself, we shall see. Okay, we shall see. Right now everything is high, and I'm gonna continue to, even if things get better, I'm still gonna buy what's on sale, what's marked down, what's clearance, you know. That's the way I'm choosing to live, you know. So I already talked to y'all. It's been a while since I talked to y'all about, I used to shop just the perimeter. I'm back to that. I used to go into the store and shop produce, meat, dairy, bakery sometime if they had like fresh breads or something like that. but shopping the perimeter. My kid's doctor has talked to us about that, shopping the perimeter. You know, she's like, look, a lot of this stuff they tell you need. She said no. She said shop the perimeter, and I told her that's what I used to do. She's like, a lot of this gluten and stuff, they don't need that. That's not a necessity. That's not a nutrient they need on them. She was like, the thing is shop the perimeter, and then you won't be buying a lot of cookies and cakes and all that type of stuff. Mainly you make a lot of stuff at home, you know. And that just came up when I asked her about gluten. Did they need gluten or whatnot? Was it a need or whatnot? And then we was talking about that. But yeah, that's just where I'm at. So I'm happy about the meat, because in my deep freezer I had chicken, 3 packs of chicken, but a lot like of the whole turkeys, because I told you we was buying the whole turkeys or whatnot. And we got some ducks in there from when we butchered the ducks, or what. So we had really dwindled down on our chicken and stuff. So I was like, okay, I know that's gonna be a big part of groceries is the chicken. I mean, it's the meat. And so I was like, so I went in there with plans of making full groceries, you know, everything. I left out with nothing but meat. I said, let me go ahead, and then I ended up going back and getting the produce and everything else that I needed, because I still have a lot here in the house. So y'all will see my meals and stuff just gonna be different, okay? And I'll share them with y'all, but it's just gonna be different. It's just literally going to be different. We don't need all this extra stuff that everybody need, all these different dishes and stuff. I like to keep things simple, and I know when I was really on my simple stuff, it just was much easier. Things was much easier and stuff. And that's the lifestyle I want to give it to. That's the lifestyle I am going back to, you know. Just, you know, yeah, I don't need to do all these, you know. I wouldn't even do it anyway, but you gotta have, you know, the lasagna, the this, the that. It just a lot of stuff that calls for a lot of ingredients. I'm about simple, you know. Simple. So yeah, that's what it is. So I am happy about the meat. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. And yeah, I went on and got it put up, so I'm gonna sit here and chill a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and end. This ended up being just a meat video vlog or whatnot. A meat video, cheap meat, you know, shopping for meat on a budget, you know. That's what this has just ended up being. So yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will, y'all, okay? Y'all be safe. Love y'all. And I'm going to sit here and chill. Probably edit this video if I don't end up falling asleep, y'all, because I'm kind of sleeping. We have been gone all day. Whew. All right, y'all. Y'all take care, okay? Mwah. Bye.